This is on one eval, okay? One 150K eval. So before you get at me with the consistency shit.
No, you're good. I'm just reminding you.
No, I know.
You can do whatever you want. You can go and have 300% consistency. I don't care.
No, you're right. All right, I'm gonna sell a couple more here. I'm only in 3 minis left. Stop is still break even at 445. Oh, how do I share my screen? I hate doing this part. This is like the worst. Because when you're traveling and you're trying to share a screen, it can be a little tricky. Drew, do you mind going to Matt's screen real quick while I figure this out? Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that should be good now. All right, so here we are in this fun trade. So again, I took NASDAQ on the 9 EMA retest. ES was coming down to its previous swing high, so I took a long there. I'm gonna move my stop to 453. This is on an eval, guys. This is on an eval. All right, we're moving.
Nice.
I want to try to target these highs here.
Yeah.
3 minis. Moving my stop.
Yo. Good morning. Morning.
I'm gonna take one off here.
So
I'm in 2 left.
we actually
What's the
ended
countdown?
day 1
You close the
green.
This is at 155.
Did we follow the strategy? No.
Nice. Very nice.
All right, let's see if they find some
We did
resistance
not
here, which is why
follow the
this
strategy.
was the level that we were
So
not able to clear in the
Not
where
gonna
the
lie.
price was sitting on book maps.
Not gonna lie, Miriam. That was a fire entry.
Hey,
That was really good.
thank you.
we do have open.
All right,
I
moving my
like
stop
open.
to
Open is
79
nice.
on one. Then move the other one to 69. All right, let's see if we can clear 500 here. 500 on the NASDAQ needs to clear.
For 11.
Worst case, we're making 4,200 on this. Let's see.
Yeah.
I just saw now a couple minutes ago. High frequency trading edge says I just faded Miriam. Yup, that
Here.
didn't go well, man.
To 11.
500 has some sellers sitting there on book maps, so that level needs to clear, and then the
I
next
believe
level
this is
obviously
it
gonna be
right there.
high. Gotta move my chart
Very
here.
nice.
All right, trying to get the clear here of 500. Might take one more off at 500. I just want to see if those orders, see, they're trying to reject it a little bit here, which is what I don't like.
I think it gets above 510. It's got room to highest session.
Yeah.
What the
Yeah,
hell
I
is
feel
that?
like
What the hell
it.
is that sound?
What's that?
What's that sound in the background?
Oh, it's probably the freaking washer. Sorry.
Sounded like a whistling.
Yeah, it's European washers, you know. All right, I want to see 500 clear here. We do get a strong push. I will. 505 is really that level. 505. There we go.
And now you're up 80 points, huh?
All right.
Nice.
Moving my stop to 488.
Very nice, Miriam. Sick.
Thank you. Oh, we might pass this account.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Let's go.
Fire.
I'll hold it. One runner here.
Pass it.
523. We need to clear 523.
How much do you
Put
need
the
still?
level
Pass it.
at
$2,000.
25, 7,
Okay, well.
7, 7,
With
5.
1 minute.
Yeah,
Hey.
that's probably tough.
We might.
Another 100 points?
Don't knock it. Don't knock it.
Stranger things
If
have
this
happened.
just goes up from here, who knows?
Stranger things have indeed happened, Matt. That's true.
I'm trying to mute myself so you guys don't hear this insane whistling right now.
I was just about to say, like, where did the sound go?
I know.
What's up, Robert? Yeah, oh man, point of control migrated again.
Chat,
26.
should I hold this runner? Should I just hold it? Should I just leave my stop sitting at like?
Do it.
I like my stop where it's at. So I'll leave my stop there. We'll see if we can lock in. We'll see if we can pass this account on 1 mini. Let's see.
That would be insane. If you get another 100 points from here, that would be crazy.
All right, I'll leave it. I'll lock in 40 points. Oh, what is that? 50 points if this goes south. So right now we are trying to reject pre-market high. So let's see what we get.
Schrödinger, don't ask questions you already know the answer to.
All right, baby.
Off previous day mid. New all-time highs on NQ. Good for you, Miriam.
Let's do it.
Fine. 530 sellers on Bookmaps, guys. So let's see if they can hold minimum 500. Obviously, I have my stop sitting 14 points below that. So
now looking at this, your entry was insane. Holy. Like our good friend Joey fucking Morgan would say.
Morgan.
Caught a little bit of
loving
Joey's
this
afternoon
report.
session yesterday. Went really well. Make sure you guys he's back on today. Check
Nice.
that out.
Nice. I almost feel like I might want to add to this, but no, I'll leave it. We don't want to get too cray-cray.
Well, then it's going to be passed in no time. Or blown in no time.
They are rejecting pre-market high here. Let's see if they can hold 500. This is the level they need to hold here. All right, holding so far.
Nice.
Let's see. Otherwise, reject it, and I think they break. They'll hit my stop for sure if they reject this. Buyers sitting at 500 still on Bookmaps.
All right, let's see what we could do.
Lots of liquidity to the upside, though.
I'm gonna launch this. We got to figure out which accounts that we can trade.
It's a big 5-minute candle here.
we
If
need
this
to
throws
trade
up another
today.
selling wick and takes us below 500, we got room to the downside. But if it
Two
closes
four
up,
seven zero four
especially if it closes
seven.
above 520, you've got room to 550 or even beyond.
Yeah. Looks like they might want it's kind of a little bit of a battle
Economic calendar
here.
real
So I can
quick.
see them. See, yeah, 495. This is that previous top resistance here.
Economic
Now
calendar is
turning
fine.
into support, so they do need to hold that level. Let's see. See what we get.
Gold is about to lose it here.
Sheet.
Looks like. Might be just a retracement though to pump higher. Let's see.
You guys are wild. Come on, Miriam. Add 10 minis.
Do it.
Don't tempt me.
Chat, don't say things like these. She's gonna do it.
Because I
okay?
won't do it. Just kidding. I won't.
10 minis is light sized for Miriam.
Those are rookie numbers. Got to pump those numbers up.
Well, if I did hold those 10 minis, I would have passed this account a long time ago. But
That is
here
true.
we are.
I might or might not have done that yesterday. How many funded do you have?
Okay, what'd you say?
How many fundeds do you have now?
2.
2 funded. So the third one to the arsenal. I'm pretty confident you can pass over today.
Let's see.
Even if it's not with this one mini trade, but later.
No. Okay.
Oh, now I see Oki's comment. 10 micros equals 1 mini, 10 minis equals 1 Miriam.
That's fun. That's fun. I like that.
All right.
Yeah, we have
All right.
news.
All right.
News in
All
2
right.
minutes? Pradeep, really? I thought it's news at 10.
Oh, we have news?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm protected. All good. Always use protection, guys.
Yeah, we have composite EMI flashing global stuff, not reported here. And then we have Michigan 5-year inflation expectations at 10 o'clock. Bunch of Michigan consumer sentiment stuff.
See if we get the pumpy pump. Right now holding, like I said, holding 500. Feeling a little like exhausted though. So let's see. 495 is really that level. If they want to keep bringing it down a little bit just to grab more buyers, that's fine. But kind of a area where we need to hold and continue further. ES hasn't even reached its pre-market high yet, so it is looking a little toppy.
Gold just dropped 20 points, but it's holding there.
Like they're gonna line in the sand here. Line in the sand.
Speaking of sand, Sandy is asking, what's the next like goal? The next like goal is 655. So if you smash the like button, get us to 655 likes, we're going to do another giveaway, guys.
Do it. Oh, they're really fighting at this 500.
15-minute opening range will be established in 41 seconds.
I almost feel like I want to just move this all the way back down to break even and just let it go for the rest of the day.
Why not?
See where it takes us. Risk $1,300.
I mean, it's end of day drawdown, so
yeah,
doesn't really matter.
We'd lock in 5,400, not bad on an eval.
But then on the other hand, imagine it stops you at break even. How pissed would you be?
I wouldn't be pissed because I made money on it. Oh, there we go.
There's the news.
All right.
I want a front run. I want a front.
Oh,
35, that's it? You only made it up to 35? Weak.
You're weak and cute.
Weak.
Crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, look at it.
Give me another 100 points. That'd be great. Give me like 620.
Easy money. Just set your target at 26K. Come on.
Actually, not a bad idea.
Why
All right.
26?
The
What?
strategy
How about
is
26?
in effect
Let's get that extra 100.
now. So what I'm seeing right now
Yeah.
is we're low on the MAC.
Projecting pre-market high.
Right over here.
Weak.
Why you so weak?
We are bouncing over there. I don't know.
Weak.
Getting some movement now.
Me too.
True, Oki. Why not 27K?
I'm just saying.
Hey, but nice push now. Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Why you gotta be so weak? Don't you know?
Fridays with karaoke.
There you go. What are you looking at, Nick? What's your model telling you?
My model is telling me that we might get a long setup here once this 30-minute candle closes.
535. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
All good, all good. You're like, hey, what's your model telling me? I start talking, you're like, yeah, I don't give a fuck. So
I know, I realized how rude that sounds. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with
how to explain you?
no, please continue. I really want to hear this.
You know, the problem is I can't share my screen right now. I'm just going to give you the basics. So this 30-minute candle that we're in right now swept the previous 30-minute candle low and also respected the previous hourly 50%, so the equilibrium, and started pumping from there. That's where you got your epic entry. And the only thing I'm waiting for right now is 30-minute candle close, then a pullback, enter long, and goodbye.
See ya. Well, I might get stopped out here, so. And did I? Oh, almost.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Blah. Zoom out of this. Yeah, the rejection that they're doing at this pre-market high is not very convincing. Let's see, why can't I zoom in on this? There we go. They're very likely going to stop me out here. And there it is. All right, 66,390 on that. Not bad.
Gotta get below this.
Hey, Ivan, you want to make sure that you're watching live, man. CPI Friday giveaway was quite a while ago. You're probably going to see that in like 20 minutes. So.
Right to be one.
We're 515 likes, guys. We need 655.
Watch them take my stuff and run it. Watch this shit.
Well, but you
This
still,
does look bearish. Sorry.
you're like up $6,390 today, so.
Not
It
bad,
does
not
matter.
bad.
Pretty darn good.
All right.
Hey,
let's
high
see.
frequency. Your comments are borderly on dickish the last like few minutes. Like, come on, man. Like, we're all on the same team here.
Don't be that guy.
Like, it's perfectly cool to come out and say, "Hey, I'm fading." So that's all right, but come on, man.
I know that's rude. Ew. We don't like haterade energy.
Yeah, I root for all retail, and believe me, there are people in this space on a personal level I abhor. I cannot stand them, but I'm always rooting for retail in this space every single time. Because you think they're bad, you should see the institutions and how they treat people. So just bump the brakes a little
Well, it's always just from, and I say this just from a general standpoint. Like, if you are someone who is
Also
so like deeply a hurtful person, like you are someone who just always talks negatively, always wants to see people lose, like you don't want anything good for other people, you just want it good for yourself, you're never going to succeed in a lot of ways. Like that sort of energy will radiate out of you, and that's all you're going to attract. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. And this goes for anyone.
And
goes
this
for
isn't directed towards anybody specifically right now, but I will just say this. In general in life, winners focus on winning, losers focus on winners. That's it.
True.
It's that's why I always give a little degen shit about the Bears, because you always hear every time the Bears get a new coach, they shit talk the Packers. And I remember was it Aaron Rodgers said like in the press conference, one guy said talked to like 2 coaches ago, talked about beating the Packers, and I remember Rodgers when he was our quarterback said years like they're always talking about us. We're just talking about winning the next football game. Like we don't give a shit about them. You may beat us, it doesn't matter. We're focused on winning championships, and that's why the Bears haven't won one in 40 years.
Oh, poor Nick.
The other Nick.
Not our Nick. The other Nick.
The degen.
The other our Nick.
The other degen.
All right. Well, doing a whole lot of nothing.
Whole lot of nothing. Yeah, right now.
Yeah, we can't really make up.
No.
Guys, it's over now. It's done. Okay, we're not going to revisionist history. We're not doing any of that. Let's just move on.
Oh, we're gonna get ripped up right here.
Hey, we gotta help Suriluki complete his spreadsheet for today. Suriluki, I had beef and salad and pasta.
Beef, salad, and pasta? Like, was the beef in your pasta?
Yes.
So it was like spaghetti and meatballs?
No, it's like small pieces of beef fillet in a sauce with pasta and salad.
That sounds delicious.
It was delicious. It was
You
really
guys have ranch in Switzerland?
yes, we do, but
I'm asking for my husband because he's like obsessed with ranch, and apparently Italians don't believe in it.
ranch as in just generally ranch sauce or like a specific brand?
I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Like ranch
I'm
sauce.
waiting.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's in the background like, oh hell yeah.
Like whenever we go to a pizza spot, he's like, oh, I wish they had ranch.
I'm gonna wait to enter here
Like, I'm so
if I
sorry.
enter anything.
Like we should have bought you one to put in my purse. take with us everywhere.
Yeah. It's what I do. It's what I do with ketchup sometimes.
That was way wild.
I don't see him
Not in my. I'm not carrying a purse.
under there because
It's a man satchel.
It's immerse.
It's a merce.
Highlands, no, not pasta bolognese. It's stroganoff, like Mario said. Stroganoff. All right, NQ is holding that level though.
It is holding.
For 70 is holding. Same with.
Oh
gold.
wow. Guess that would have
Gold,
worked.
triple tap that New York low now, 4113.
Or it could have worked.
Seems
I'm
like
not
this
gonna.
is opening range high. I just don't like the rejection that we got at pre-market, but we are holding, so it is still bullish. I think ES actually looks a little bit better in terms of holding, really tapping into this previous high, and then right where the 9 EMA is sitting as well. So I think if ES gets this nice move up, it'll have a really good move. Right now, I'm trying to look at book maps and see. Yeah, 500 is still that level on NASDAQ. ES, my book maps is lagging. I would say 6830 is going to be a level of resistance, and then 835. To the downside, 820 on ES.
We're gonna
Like it
try to
might be
hit that
holding,
range.
And the next level
If
down
anything.
looks like 810. So 820 and 810 for ES to the downside. 825, 820, 810.
Guys, I might get cooked here because Drew jumped in on the catch-up discussion in the background chat. Drew really knows his food.
You put what? Wait, what?
Yes, Matt. Yes. The answer is yes.
All right.
I don't know what to I don't know what to say to that. That like hurts my brain.
Oh God, Nick.
Like I'm short circuiting right now.
Drew says he puts ketchup on steak. Well, to be fair, I put ketchup next to the steak.
Wait,
and
you
then I
put
dip it.
ketchup on steak? Oh God.
Oh,
On
yeah.
a fillet?
I'm gonna order a $150 fillet. I'm gonna put ketchup on it, 100%.
Oh no.
Hell yeah.
Oh no, Matt. I see. I'm with you on this one, Matt. This is not okay.
It's the best.
This is
Well,
also
but
coming-
only if it's Heinz, okay? That's important. Very important.
It's not the brand. It's the idea.
Oh no, you have no idea how bad it is, the brand, man.
Ketchup on steak?
No, next to the steak, and then you dip the steak in it.
It doesn't matter. You're mixing ketchup with. I swear to God, if that's what you order when we go to dinner.
No, don't worry. I mean, we're eating in an Asian restaurant. Come
Okay,
on.
Brad, if you're watching when we're down there next month and you're booking restaurants, no place with steak.
I can eat it without steak, no
I want
problem.
steak, just no place with ketchup.
Oh wait, I said I can eat it without steak. Yeah, I can do that too. But I can also eat steak without ketchup. It's not a problem. But I like it. Easy.
Do you also get it well done?
No, do not. I'm not a mad person, okay?
Ah, oh, okay. Great, we got that out of the way.
You know, Drew says go somewhere with steak only. That will kick him out for asking for ketchup. You gotta be smart
Yeah,
about
there
it,
you
Drew, okay? You
You
just gotta
wanna
order.
pick
You just gotta
stuff
order sides that make sense with ketchup, and then you order ketchup. They think it's for the sides, but you put it on the meat. This is well thought out, okay? I've been doing this since 29 years.
All right.
Just I can't right now. I just
Joker says people who take steak well done deserve Lego under their feet. You're right, Joker. You're right. Hey, Trader 808, I will jump out of a plane while eating a steak with ketchup, okay?
Yeah, Kevin, you and I both. I've never seen someone eat ketchup with steak. Steak with ketchup.
Now we know how to get engagement in the chat. That works. Just say ketchup on steak and pizza on pineapple on pizza. And
I would rather eat a Hawaiian pizza than put ketchup on the same plate as a high level cut of meat.
Matt, have you ever had cold Hawaiian pizza with ketchup. That is really
I
good.
would rather eat that than put ketchup on a fillet.
Oh my god. I'm really scared that I got advice from Nick for where to go in Switzerland.
Yeah, now you should be second guessing this.
I'm
You
really
know,
worried about it.
Miriam, you're going to be very pleasantly surprised, okay? Trust me. You made the right choice. Trust me. You're going to be like, oh my God, this is the sickest place I've ever been to.
Yeah, see, no, but this is guys, this is where you learn what, like, to trust.
Canceling a reservation right now.
I would
Like,
like to make a cancellation.
If
please.
I was looking for the best white tees, I'm trusting Nick's recommendation. If I had hair and I was looking for a place to get it done, Nick's hair is on point. I'm going to trust his recommendation, right? Like, he does all this physical stuff. If he wants, like, workouts, trust his recommendation. Food, not so much anymore. Not so much. I still love you, Nick, but no.
Oh Lord.
All right, back to the charts, okay?
No, actually, I hope we do go to a steak joint. And I hope you do that because I want to see the waiter just take your plate away.
Like,
I've never had any issues, man.
like,
We're putting that all over the socials.
like the steak doesn't come with French fries. Oh, I know. The pommes frites are the other side of the menu.
Drew in the back end. Caps lock. I will ensure you have issues. I will tell the waiter.
Oh Lord.
Oh,
We've
my
been on this
goodness.
topic way too long, guys.
That's
All
why I
right.
say back to the charts. However, NQ is pretty much stuck.
Yeah,
That's
we're not
quite
doing
lovely.
anything here. This is
It's still
This is
a
fun.
nice long setup though. If this hourly closes, this 30-minute candle closes in 18 seconds. But what I don't like about it is that we had this heavy rejection from the new all-time high at 535.
Oh, we do have news incoming, right?
Yeah, in a minute. In
Oh
30
my
seconds.
goodness.
That's what I don't like about it either. So we're waiting
Look
for
at
that.
that. Look, Poppy right there. Look at that.
Little poppy.
Poppy. A little poppy.
Well, this has been certainly one of the more don't give a fuck streams in a very long time.
It's Friday.
It is.
It's Friday.
True.
How we doing, chat? How we doing?
Let's get a poll up. Let's get a poll up.
So far? Anything for anyone? All right, getting some volume coming in here on NASDAQ. Let's see, ES not doing much. Pumping right back into its pre-market high here. Let's see how to break it. Nick refuses to put up a poll.
All right, so we
Just
lost
for
that
I'm
data.
going to a steak joint tomorrow. But honey, if you're listening, we're going to get a good steak tomorrow.
Oh,
I'll see if the mansion's taking reservations. I'm going to show Nick a real good sauce to put on a fillet.
What's your wife's name again?
Angie.
Angie. Bring the Heinz.
Oh fuck.
yeah. Oh no.
In fact, in every steak place I go from now on, I'm going to ask them if anyone does that and what their reaction is. I think I told before, my mom's not a huge, I mean, she's not a vegetarian or anything. She's not the biggest steak person. But there's a place when they go on vacation in Hilton Head that they love to go. My dad loves to go because they have a great steak and they have other things on the menu my mom likes. Well, my mom just decided one time, okay, I actually, you you're always rave about these fillets. I'm going to try one. Dad's like, oh, that sounds like a good idea. So the waiter comes over, my dad orders his, all that. And my mom is just always famous. She says, I want my meat dead, right? And so she'd never ordered a steak like that. And so like the waiter says, all right, take a fillet. So how would you like that cooked, ma'am? She says, well done. The waiter just looks at her and goes, I'm not going to do that. And so she kind of explained, the waiter just said, I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to bring it to you like just shy of medium. If you don't like it, I will take it back in there and make sure they cook it to how you want. But just trust me on this. And she loved it. So yeah.
That's awesome.
That's sick.
It's like, and we're not doing that.
Yeah, no, he just seriously, my dad reenacts it perfectly. He's just like, no, I'm not going to do that.
No, you know what though? I appreciate that. I appreciate
yeah.
like the genuine side, because the same thing happened to us. I know it's kind of not the same thing, but it happened to us in Italy. Like we went into a just a little, little cafe place, and we ordered. I don't even know what we ordered. It was just like these little pastries with, some of them had anchovies in it, meat, whatever. But we ordered that, and then my husband's like, "Can I get a macchiato?" And the guy looks at him. He's like, "I'm not going to give you that. You can get that later. This is not the traditional way of ordering this dish." And I was like, "I appreciate that. Thank you for culture, teaching us the ways." But it was just so funny. He's like, "No, I'm not going to give you that. Sorry." I was like, "Well, I appreciate it. You need to be cultured." So I would probably be the same way. If I had a restaurant, I'd be like, "No, that's not how you're supposed to enjoy it."
Well, everybody has their own taste, okay?
What's the popular dish in Swiss culture?
Cheese, like
Cheese.
have you ever heard of fondue?
Oh yeah, I love fondue.
Yeah, so that is typical Swiss. Raclette as well.
What is it?
Raclette. It's kind of like everybody. So it's like in the middle of on the table. There's like a big grill kind of thing, and then you put slices of cheese in a little baby pan that's like this big, and then you put it in the grill.
Anyways, we're just trying to figure out which way the market is going.
That sounds like heaven.
It's really good, especially with ketchup. Just saying.
God, Nick.
But every Swiss person actually makes fun of me for that as well. So whatever.
Oh Lord.
Cheese with ketchup is fucking epic. Fondue, not so much, but raclette, epic.
So I'm not kidding. I just booked for tomorrow night. My wife and I are going out to this place in town. We really liked it. It's a great steak. It's a house cut filet with a cherry demi-glaze sauce on it, and it is so I'm gonna show you what a real sauce. I normally won't even eat a filet with it. I just eat it straight up or like with a nice blue cheese crust or something. But yeah, no, I'll send you a picture.
Nice.
All right, gold is
like 144.
Look at the 3-minute on gold. Whose chart is up right now? I think Matt. Or is it Marin? It's Marin.
That's mine.
Go on gold on the 3-minute.
Goldy gold. Let's look at it. Ooh. Oh, that's fun. On the 3-minute?
Nick, fuck your poll, man.
Oh, David, that's awesome. Cherry reduction. Yeah, I'll have to look that up. I cook steaks on I cook ribeyes on the griddle all the time.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I think this may be one of the ultimate like never gonna live this down situations on stream. This was catch-io.
I'm gonna get shit from you guys in Miami all day.
Oh, without a doubt. That's
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll bring all you guys some ketchup as a gift.
Oh, and I love ketchup. I'll put ketchup on nearly any kind of potato, but
Yes.
and on a burger. Love it on a burger.
Okay.
But not on.
So what is that? What is in a burger?
Okay, that's ground beef.
Right.
It's not a fillet cut of beef.
So we're starting to
It's
break above.
Made from the fucking cow. Doesn't matter.
I'm
okay?
gonna want to make sure that we stay above.
No, it's really not. But okay.
Yeah.
9.
Cow is cow.
Hey,
100.
GHXST, that is a reason as well why I have so many YTs actually. Like every single lunch I stain my YT. Literally every day. Almost. We're gonna do some merch that says cow is cow, Mary. Okay?
Oh man.
Cow is cow. The way you said that.
All right, we are in.
Drew says cow is not cow. Well, Drew, I think you have an issue.
Oh my gosh.
Basically, it's just 100, right?
All right, we made new all-time high on NQ. 548. 548.
Not bad. I don't know. Ad lib, ad weapon.
Bring the Heinz is another merch item we're gonna do. That's great. Pretty King, no, there is no Swiss chocolate in the merch store.
But apparently ketchup's coming soon, so
Yes.
Heinz ketchup specifically.
Heinz ketchup.
Now, I will say, for all of the other bullshit, I will agree with Nick, and not just on Heinz, but like quality ketchup has a much better flavor than shitty ketchup. I will defend that. But no, on the steak, nope.
Mm-mm.
Like this.
No, 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 no.
No,
Not,
no,
not.
no.
I think you're not.
Mhm.
Helping us out. We're here.
Very naughty.
You
Naughty, yeah.
Yeah, I don't see how you redeem yourself from this.
Yeah, I don't either.
I'm just gonna leave at this point.
Don't worry, your time to get fired will be later.
Yeah, no, you got a couple hours, or you got about an hour and 15 until you're fired. So
Yeah, THXST, right? He does.
the our chat gets it.
Oh man, guys, we are doing a whole lot of nothing right now.
Yeah, no, it actually kind of. I mean, it's slow grind up, and we're pushing towards session highs. But I'm a little surprised that there hasn't been some real just nuts volatility after that initial candle, especially because we held a lot of that. But we'll see.
By the way, we still need 655 likes. Now that you don't have any trade setups, guys, smash the like button.
All right, we have.
Do it now.
We have it in.
Yeah, not looking
Two
very
of my accounts.
bearish, but also like just these very, like you said, Matt, very slow grind.
Yeah.
Very slow grind. So.
Fun fact about ketchup. You know how many grams of ketchup are in, how many grams of tomatoes are in 100 grams of ketchup?
How many, Nick?
148. Mm-hmm.
Crazy.
Gotta know that.
You gotta know that. That's for sure. That is
Not
for
really
sure.
100% on this.
We just opened above the opening range high. Let's see. Pumpy time?
Trader King, Joey Morgan is back on Power Hour today, and then it'll be Nick next week, little DGen, and I'll be jumping in and out. So Rebecca's off next week, so.
Yeah, they are just.
That's not looking
interesting
good.
for a Friday. Very
Yeah,
interesting.
there we go. There we go. Thank you, Drew.
What's the true do?
Check the program monitor.
Oh, wait. I missed it.
Oh,
You know what? I'm gonna take a
Great.
break here, guys. See ya.
oh, I
Shoot.
love it.
Not sure if I like it.
Yeah, don't mess with Drew in the background check. Or just in general. Oh, man. He just
And
leaves.
he's gone.
Oh my god. He comes back with a steak and ketchup.
I think he's going to. That's what scares me right now.
81.
Oh,
So this is
no.
kind of like the next halfway target.
Oh my gosh. Adam, leave him alone. Every time I hear leave him alone, I think of that one. Remember that one video of that person that they posted it on YouTube? It was like 20 years ago. They're like, leave Brittany alone. And they're like bawling their eyes out.
Dude, stan culture is so scary. Like
Crazy.
it was like funny, borderline on creepy. It's now creepy
Yeah.
and like flat out scary. If you're that obsessed with a celebrity.
Hello.
Hello.
Where's your steak?
Just saying, okay? Just saying.
Oh no.
Oh no. Drew cut his feet.
Yeah.
That should be illegal to put on.
By the way, by the way, I actually just remembered when I went to grab that steak. So my parents, they hated when as a kid I put ketchup on a steak. So what they always said, it's funny. They always said, "Don't do that. You're not an American." It's so funny because now all the Americans say that is the most disgusting thing ever.
That's awesome. Can confirm, yeah.
Full circle.
Oh,
That's
man.
funny. All right, I'm gonna go put that steak back into the freezer.
Oh no. Yeah, that poor steak. I feel bad for the steak. Oh Lord. What are we gonna do with him?
Guess what?
Nobody knows. What's gold doing here? Nasdaq's just, man, these candles. What's the ATR, the 5-minute ATR right now?
5-minute ATR is at 28.
Oh, okay, that's pretty good.
That's decent. It's not. It's come down a bit simply because we're not looking back into that huge ass candle again. But no, that's decent. I mean, it's. I mean, we're clearly trending up. I mean, we're making new highs on quite a few of the last 8 or 9 candles. But yeah, it's just I don't see conviction in it, right? And that doesn't mean it's not going to continue to go. It's just not quite the movement I'm looking for to play a high a day break.
Yeah. Gold is moving though. Gold is really pushing here above opening range. But yeah, just kind of a slow grind up here on futures. Very slow grind up.
Had a couple changes prior to.
Okay. Okay went on the 1 second. I
Oh,
don't even
come
know if I have
on.
access to that. Let me see what that looks like. Oh my gosh, I do. I have a 1 second chart available to me.
That's gonna overheat your whole fucking laptop. It's gonna lift off from the fans.
For real. Do people play this? This is what people look at? Why is this available? Lord have mercy.
No, we're just going to
1,000 ticks? No? Okay, well, I gotta upgrade for that. Thank God. Let's go back to a normal time frame. Lord. Oh, it got my. Oh,
I was waiting to see how long it would take.
I didn't see. Why didn't you tell me?
Say hello, Orange. Meow.
He's like,
In the comments, are we going up and down?
is that a male or female?
This is a girl. This is Margie.
She's cute.
Margie.
She's like a non-fat version of Garfield.
Wow.
She is a little bit of a crackhead. She sleeps for 23 and a half hours a day, and then for 30 minutes she will sprint and run and yell, and yeah, it's a whole thing.
Oh, it looks like the orange cat I saw today walking around minding this little business.
Max, come here. Come say hi. Come here.
Oh, Max.
Max came down too. Oh, we're a little nervous.
Oh, Max is ready for
Max is
his
camera
moment.
shy.
No, he's not. Last time, hi, Max.
That one is really cute.
He's like, Dad, are you really making me do this?
Bullshit. Where's my food?
He's cute.
Yeah.
He's
He's a
cute,
big
and
boy.
he's cute, and I really like the dog too.
How much does Max
I think
weigh?
so. Thanks for the coffee, baby.
Oh. Hi, Angie.
Hi, Angie.
That Merriman Nick say hello.
That's the song we do.
Miss you. Love you.
He said, "Miss you, love you." Oh yeah, I'll pass that along. Yes, we are going to Vegas in February to see New Kids. So
Austin.
I'll be there.
Okay, all right, let you know.
Just saying.
Or we're going to Vegas. We're going to New Kids. She's going to enjoy it.
And I'm inviting myself.
I just assumed. I assumed I had no say in the matter anyway. So
Yeah, see. I'll just let Angie know.
Yeah. Why do you think I made sure you two don't have each other's numbers at this point?
I don't know if you're gonna be able to. Yeah.
Just really quick on the charts. Gold had a strong pump here. I didn't miss that. Damn.
I was looking at it. Yeah.
Damn. Okay.
Yeah, we went over that opening range break. Really nice. Next target I would think is 159. 41.59 on gold.
Yes, Patrick. 4 cats and a dog in this house. I appreciate the coffee delivery service. Yeah, she works on site 4 days a week. So Friday she works from home. So I'm getting the Miriam treatment today. The spouse bringing you bringing you your drinks. Very nice. I appreciate that.
It's great. It's great.
Yeah.
I just got my water with a cap that doesn't come off. Cheers.
We have the normal one in Switzerland. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Thank God. What was the light count again? 6 something?
655. We're nowhere close.
655. Let's go.
Right now we're at 542. Come on, guys. You got to do better. You got to smash that like button if you want a free account.
You got to do better. I don't know.
Zero to hero.
Zero to hero. Tradelocker, you're funny. Gold actually looks like a decent long, probably with a retest at this 41.36.
What is going on?
Are you gonna trade gold for the first time?
I mean, if I trade it, I have to do like 1 micro like you last time, because I've never. This would be my very first trade on gold.
Do it.
Yes, getting a pullback here. NQ also getting a pullback. Let's see. Ooh, selling pressure picking up. Rejection of opening range high. See if 505 holds. Then 495 is really that level. 495 on NASDAQ. Very wicky on the 15-minute though.
Wiki.
Wiki. Smooth price action. I don't know if I'd call it smooth.
I wouldn't call that smooth. I mean, not for my system.
Yeah, I don't love the price action today.
But some people definitely love that. So whatever works for you, works for you.
Hey, Soldier X, congratulations.
Soldier X.
Soldier X.
Sounds like Soldier X.
Oh no. How much?
You get a full bounce here?
Not live.
I'm hoping so.
That's like the second time.
Yep.
Oh Lord.
Boy, this is
when you start getting on the same wavelength as your colleagues, that's a whole nother level.
That's a little creepy, yeah. Oh no worries though. The catch-up thing that throws up a firewall right there.
Forever resistance there.
USA, we always got the giggles.
Always got the giggles.
No. Miriam giggles. We laugh like men. Ha ha.
Oh, it's just bouncing off V though.
You laughing like men is just not laughing.
Not on the minute, just on whatever this is.
Boy, let's see what we do here.
Oh yeah, Abubakar, that's ugly to be in longs right now. But hey, let's see. Maybe it turns around for you. Maybe it turns around. Hey Matt, I think you misunderstood what he just hit there in the chat. Because that guy, high frequency trading edge, he was the one who actually faded Mary.
I know, and I know this has been building a bit. So yeah,
he's just making fun of himself, basically losing money.
No, but
I don't think he is.
It's weird.
That's why it's just a brief timeout as opposed to a full-on thing. So.
Ay, ay, ay. All right. In shorts at 520. Nice. Okay. Break a pre-market high, it looks like. 523. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe we'll get a little move here. If bulls, I would say if bulls can't hold this 500 level, they're really, honestly, they're really not in huge trouble. I wouldn't even say huge trouble. They're really not even at risk, I would say, until 480 breaks. And then you have beep bop sitting at 445. Then I would say, ooh, it's starting to look a little reversal. But on the 5 minute, I mean, they're really still holding, even on the 15 minute. 30 minute doesn't look great. I will say that, but 15 minute still holding. Motion, you already know.
You've been here long enough, Motion. Stop it.
Ahmed, why is ketchup like a mathematician? Tell me. I'm actually really interested.
Yeah, this better have a good punchline.
I really want to know now.
Patrick is beep bop. Duh. Yeah, exactly. It's beep bop.
Beep bop. Yep.
Beep pop.
It's
Sounds
not
like
beep
way
pop.
too much work. Beep pop.
Kind of like K-pop, but
Yeah, like beeps pop. Nah.
Ahmed, you're leaving us hanging, man. Why is ketchup like a mathematician? They both need.
No, wait, hold on. The way that we had to wait for the answer being they both need pie.
Nick, do you put ketchup on your pie?
no.
Okay.
No, there's just it was just the tension building, like the anticipation of what's the answer. Ahmed, you're hilarious for that. That's funny.
Whatever.
Good times. Just never gonna let that go, Nick. Sorry.
Hey, that's okay. That's okay. I'm a proud steak with ketchup eater. Okay, no problem. Oh, 100% per local. Ketchup with scrambled eggs. Hell yeah. Ketchup with sunny side up eggs, even better.
Seems kind of rangy.
Listen, Nick, I'm just. We say no financial advice, but.
Look,
no culinary advice on this show either, apparently.
Yeah.
I mean, Drew says that's okay. So.
It's better. It's better.
Just gonna get out.
You know.
Abu Bakr, what do you mean pips? Trading futures here, not currency.
Lots of selling pressure coming in. The bubbles are bubbling.
Yeah, we can hear it. Don't worry.
Can you hear that, Matt?
I can, yeah.
Oh.
Why would I hear it and he wouldn't?
I don't know. I just thought maybe like your sound was on full blast or something.
It is.
Okay.
All right, guys. So we're about to put in our initial balance. So we'll see how that goes. I'm sure Joey Morgan somewhere is all over that. Joey will be taking the stream into the close today. For those that caught that yesterday, caught about a half hour of it. It's pretty good stuff, as always with Joey.
Now, right, and they're, you know, you can't do everything. Banana, ketchup, no, that doesn't go.
Oh yes, because that's your line.
Right.
I tried ketchup on an apple once, and that was really disgusting.
I would rather eat a banana slathered in ketchup than put it on my fillet.
I don't believe you.
You buy me a banana and ketchup and a nice fillet, and I'll show you.
I will do that when we're in Miami. On my list.
You got a big list for 3 days, huh?
Right next to Panda Express.
Oh, technically it could go up. Maybe I should have held
There
my
I'll go with
entire
you. I'm not the biggest fan, but
freaking strategy, but
Wait, Raiden, what?
it honestly just didn't look good.
Banana ketchup?
But now that I see this,
Wait. Let me activate
Wow.
my Google.
could have held it to the halfway point.
1 second. Banana ketchup is a flavor? What the hell?
I still don't feel good about the trade. I might re-enter if it gets to the top and it seems fine, but
Interesting. Okay, there is banana ketchup. What the hell? That's weird.
Oh yeah, TJ, we got all times here, but yeah, Joey. Oh, Max, we love having Max on the show. Max is a blast.
just doesn't seem
He'll
good.
come back soon, I heard.
I promise you, you will not be bored on a Max stream. That's all. That's all we ask for.
Drew, what the hell? Chili with cinnamon rolls. Chill out, okay? What's that? Why?
Like that doesn't sound great, but I'd try it. I think I'd try it.
You have different problems, guys.
Well, because I like chili with usually you have cornbread with chili, and I do like I like regular cornbread, but I like a good sweet cornbread too. And so cinnamon rolls do just the next further step further.
Dude says he can have ketchup on steak, but puts chili on cinnamon rolls. Like, what the?
Well, because cinnamon rolls and chili cost like $4. A good steak is 70 plus, depending on where you go.
So what? Ketchup makes it better.
Schrodinger, I said I would do it this past time. I owed him one, and he came on all professional with his suit and tie.
That was funny, though. That was really funny.
No, TJ, that is a very accurate description of Max. Absolutely.
True. Bacon peanut butter? What? Weird combo. Hey, there's that gold long Miriam spoke about. Now she's not here to trade it. Damn it.
I didn't even realize she was gone. I should have figured out I got really quiet here.
Nice short setup on NQ. I wanted a retracement first. We didn't get that, unfortunately. Would have been a nice short setup. We might still get it, retest it, and then move lower. Looking at shorts on NQ right now.
What do I make of this?
Anything you see in the market, Matt?
No, I'm really just kind of waiting for the. I mean, we got our IB in at this point, so I'm just kind of keeping an eye on that. Again, not the biggest. I mean, we're talking about a 130 and 120-ish, I think, IB, which I would have expected a little higher. But again, it's been good movement, but it's been just interesting movement considering what we saw an hour ago, or 2 hours ago, excuse me. It's one of those days I'm not sure I have a great feel for the action right now. Which, talk to me in 5 minutes, I might, but just.
Let's see if we get a pullback here. Or a short.
WN, I'll tell her. If you don't, you assume I will say something when she's not. I'll say it right to her.
ES doing? Oh, ES is weaker than NQ right now. And we get a pullback.
I mean, again, holding the top of this of the CPI candle, I would tend to think favors a strong push up at some point into lunch or into the afternoon. Just because again, we're holding that initial very large candle, but I mean, I'm not seeing it. I'm not really seeing signs of it. I just think that's, you know, you're asking me, are we going to negate that candle, or are we going to break out above it and get a good sustained 70 to 100 point push above? That's what I would be looking for. But I don't know. Ask me in 5 minutes.
Peter, why short just 3-minute, 30-minute fractal model? And every single time we made all-time highs today, we failed. Came right back down. Mr. Chinsk, nope, absolutely not because of that.
I would potentially be open to a short. I don't know that I'd take one before moving below 450, but I mean, I could. You get into the halfway point of that CPI candle.
Oh, they pulled those orders.
You start to break from there. Yeah, I mean, I would again tend to favor a move to the upside right now.
Yeah, understandable. Understandable.
But I do. I mean, you talk about a potential short. If we get down to the 450 to 460 area, that'd be where I might look.
No, Anna, I'm not in a trade. Still waiting. Waiting on the world to change. Hey, what's up, Arnd?
Oh, it's Arnd.
Yeah, it's Arnd.
Arnd. What's the chat doing this weekend? What's everyone up to this weekend? Got some fun stuff going on?
Fishing, says Tion. Vision. Well, what are you gonna do, Matt? Except going to a nice steakhouse.
Well, it's not a steakhouse per se. It's just this really nice. It's a really old house. It's called August the Mansion, and it was a house built by an insanely rich dude like 150 years ago, and it's gone through a bunch of things over the years. And just about a year ago, they opened this restaurant, and it's a very nice restaurant, very limited menu, which is usually the sign of a good restaurant. And they have a filet, like I said, with like some veggie sides, and it's a cherry demi glaze on top of it, which is just fan-fucking-tastic. So we're doing that. Now, real Midwestern excitement tomorrow, we have a garage sale because our subdivision has a garage sale. So there'll be a lot of foot traffic coming through. We don't have a ton to sell, but just a few things that we're trying to get rid of. So good times. Yeah, that's
I just got missed on that short. I had a limit order at 505, limit sell at 505, but it missed me. Yeah.
Why taking that short?
Fractal model, nice 30-minute sweep of the high. We failed all-time highs today, all the time. But I would have only taken this for like 20-ish points. So right now, I deleted the order now. Not going to take it anymore. Because it already moved.
Okay. Waiting on the world to change.
Oh, so you heard that too, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Heard everything, probably.
I have ears everywhere. We are in an area that we could bounce at. ES bounced at beep bop. So do we make another run up? Maybe.
That's right, Tony. Selling my course, the garage sale, 50% off, only 40,000. Push over 500's got to hold here. We hold over 500, we'll probably make a new intraday high.
Yep, very nice so far. Very nice. Hold a beep up.
Yeah, thanks, Abu Bakr. It's a lowest price ever. Will never be this price again until the next sale. I don't know. I'm trying to think of all the marketing shit I've heard over the years. I'm just spewing it out.
You'll never get this again.
Ever.
Ever. Do you hear me? Bookmaps is going nuts. See if we can clear here. Looks kind of good. We did
This
hold that
must
level.
be
ES bounced that beep up,
where
but
the
we
short
do need to clear 510. 510 is
people
better.
are, so they're absorbing the crap out of it.
Yep. We're just in a channel right now, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
Channel.
Okay, getting that clear. Nice. Oh. I love how it just has a mind of its own. Waiting on the world to change. Now that song's stuck in my head.
Right back up.
Yeah, really, really nice hold. All right, cleared 510. Now we need to clear pre-market high. Do we reject at 523 on NQ? That is
Let's
the
see.
question. 830 is going to be that level on ES. I did scalp some more longs on that, but just basically at the VWAP bounce. Beep pop.
Hold the same.
But I keep waiting. See if they make a new high here. I'm with you, Matt. They can clear this.
Yeah.
Run it up, run it up. Cool.
Nice push.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see how the chat is doing. So the poll says 52% are green, 24% are red, and 24% are flat. So you guys are
Well,
eating.
see, I'm reading this a little differently. I'm reading this 52% say Nick M's weird. 24% say catch one mistake is a sin, and 24% Nick M's double weird. So that's on.
That is exactly what I see too.
Yeah, there's a little.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, my eyes are not the best, so.
Nice push.
Won't beat.
Bullshit.
Won't beat. Ooh, they might find resistance here. Let's see. Let's see what they do.
What they do, yeah.
I'm in one contract from 505.
Oh wait, you entered a long? I completely
I
missed that.
did. I did like that long at the VWAP retest, beep up, and then we had this little demand zone on the 5-minute. Now I usually don't look at 5-minute demand zones, but I did like this little drop that we got, and then some balance and then imbalance that we got out of it. So I marked that level. I had that level on there. So right now this is an area of potential resistance here at 530. Let's see. I'll just let this run. F it. F it.
Do it.
Do it now.
Could possibly. Oh. Ah, what's going on? Dude, can you switch my charts real quick? I don't know what the hell that was.
What the hell, Beyonce?
What the hell, Beyonce? That's weird.
Shit, Fred, you're right. Fred says, I saw a bit of London stream the other night and Nick said VWAP and didn't correct himself to BPOP. I was disappointed.
Ah, rude.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Fred.
What are
I'm
you
really
doing?
sorry. I messed that one up. That's why I got that loss today, I think.
Probably. That makes sense.
Mhm. That does make sense.
Yeah, keep it there.
Rob, for the cup, you will get a 50K count, the fresh one.
Just a reminder, everybody is signed up for the Grand Cup, correct?
Oh, you
Should
better
be.
be.
Better
Yeah.
be.
You should also be on Team Tradefy TV. We're gonna win it. Do not doubt us.
See if they reject this area here. I have my stop at 517, which they'll probably take here. Just in a bit. Let's see.
All right, Lifted. Happy to have you aboard.
Ah, they didn't.
I think so, Primal. I think the accounts go live on that one on that Sunday night open. What is that, the second? And I'm serious, guys. Don't, like you want to build as much as you can in that first week or two, but don't go crazy. If you're booking small amounts of profits on a day-to-day basis, you're gonna stick around. There's gonna be a lot of people that flame out, especially early in week 2 when we start cutting traders. Empowered, if you just go into the dashboard and click on
Trying to figure this out,
if you've
man. I'm
already
doing
signed up,
terrible.
there should be a pull-down menu to
It's terrible. All right.
add your team if you didn't
Yep,
do it
there is.
at checkout. So yeah, very easy, very easy. Couple of clicks.
Well, the real Tony
Well,
Smith, the OG.
We're
chat
likely
is in
blowing this account
Tradefy
here.
Space.
We do have more of them.
Hey, we did just cross 53,400 subscribers. Welcome everybody who's new here.
Was it
Nice.
probably ranging today?
But you know what? I'm a bit sad that the likes are at only 582 because we need.
Or scalping over
655.
here is fine.
Hmm.
I don't know what I'm doing over here. I'm kind of so upset with this account.
That's been the
is no
giveaway
good.
goal, guys.
No good.
To beat it up.
No good at all.
655.
NQ rejecting this opening range high here. Let's see. Not really much.
The
of
high
price
wasn't as
action going on
high.
today. I mean, in terms of, obviously we had the CPI move, but so far very, very slow morning.
Yeah, nothing really.
I did get out of that trade.
This kind of goes to show, like, when I'm just trading to trade, that we're
Nothing
just.
of
I should
beauty.
be doing it on this one.
This is the strategy one here. This is the non-strategy one, just to trade how I used to. I should be.
Yeah, you're right, Highlands. It's a competition. I'm not saying don't.
Should be
go a little
trading
more, but just be careful. Just
What are we
seriously,
looking at
slow and
over
steady early
here?
on. You'll get through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
maybe like 500. Yeah, let's sweep these. Yeah, there we go. Like that.
Do we reject again here? Oh, that'll be nasty.
Slow.
That'll be nasty.
Nasty Nasdaq.
Yeah, this is. Those rats. Those rats. Okay, well, that's fine. What are you looking at, Nick?
Right now, I look at a piece of chop in a channel.
Piece of chop.
And I don't see a setup for myself. It's a bit annoying.
Probably too soon.
I would like to take a trade, but if there's no setup,
Where
I
is Screw
can't
Up
take a
at?
trade.
That's correct.
See. See if I would have just held it.
You advanced
You are right.
Would it have came down to the 505? I mean, I think I had it at 506 or something, but if we say it hit 505,
1 week giveaway.
then it likely
Or
would have
giveaways.
filled. That would have been fine.
Oh,
You get a car, and you get a car.
All right.
Schrodinger, yeah, hell yeah, I'm gonna put ketchup on his chop.
We don't have work today until later because we have.
Red, well, to be fair, for your first $5,000 on
We're
your Grand
ranging
Cup
today.
account, you can only trade with 2 minis.
We're ranging
After that, you
today.
can trade with 5 minis.
See, it would have hit.
Rob C, is there an admin in the chat? We're all admins, kinda.
we are all admins.
What do you need? Nico, yeah, you can also join without. You can also trade in the Grand Cup without joining a team. That's totally doable. However, it wouldn't make much sense because with the team you get additional prices and bonuses, and your individual result still counts.
Our date is wrong on the website. Is that right?
Date is wrong on the website.
Hmm.
What date on what website?
For the Grand Cup, you mean?
Ah, is it?
Ew.
Let me check. There is no wrong date on the website now. If you're referring to the fact that it says registration closes in 16 days, be aware you can still register even though the Grand Cup has already started. Just the Cup starts on the 2nd of November, but people can still register for longer than that. So what you see on the website is correct. Registration closes in 16 days, but the Grand Cup starts on November 2nd.
Ooh, starting to get a little pullback here. Let's see.
Oh, it says it starts Monday 2nd, and the 2nd is not a Monday or what?
Is it not?
Let me check. No, it's a Sunday.
Oh, that would be a problem.
That would actually be a problem. Okay, on the no team page. Let me double check that. Thanks for making us aware of that. I'm gonna double check this really quick and forward it to the team. Uno secondo.
Uno secondo.
Yes. Yep, you're absolutely right. I just double checked and forwarding this to the team. I'm going to be quiet for a second, Miriam, because I'm unable to multitask.
It's okay. My bubbles are bubbling.
Nice.
Let's see where we go from
They make
here.
a pill for that.
Yeah? Do they? How would you know?
Because we all get a little bubbly from time to time.
Yeah, maybe. Oh boy. Let's see.
What'd you do to the markets while I was taking a break?
I just, talked to it a little nicely, and it decided to dump.
Okay, all right.
It was like, dump it.
I was like, you know what, NASDAQ? You need to go down. Down to the ground. And I was like, okay. You're right.
You said, NQ, what do you think of ketchup on a steak? And it just...
Yeah, and I was like, oh man. Pretty much. Oh, nice.
It's a nice move off the top there. I don't see any news on it.
Cool. Cool. We like that. Ooh, do we hold here? Do we hold right here? Nope.
Smart.
And it's gone.
Bebop on deck here. 455 is Bebop.
Yep.
Okay.
Nah. It's okay. It does look like a nice long possibly setting up though. But if we start getting the flush on this candle, see if this candle goes a little bit, like even like to 448 and holds. We'll see. We shall see. Or, just can go up from here too. Let me see what the map's saying. Yeah, 450 possibly. Has some buyers. 448. They might flush it. That's another thing, is they either pop it above right at this 450 area, right? Like at 448, 450, that's kind of the level I'm seeing. Like if they just dunk it right through, then no bueno. But curious to see what they're gonna do in this level. Or they can just do that.
Right, Rob. I informed the team. It's going to be changed. Thank you. Thanks for the catch.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, NQ.
Yeah, GHXST, no, it's still wrong because it says starts Monday, 2nd November, 9 EST. Of course, I got it with the date, but still wrong.
Ooh. All right. Then that's the no-go.
There's the short. There is the short.
And it's gone.
And
Let's see opening range low here. Opening range low. Do they hold?
blew through Bebop.
I'm waiting for this hourly candle to close, then pull back, and then short this.
430. 430 has some buyers. Is that opening range? Oh yeah, it is. Right here. Got some buyers sitting there. That is loud.
What was that?
Ooh, the dryer. The dryer saying,
Get your
"Get
fucking
your
phone
shit."
out.
Yeah, exactly. I'm thinking longs maybe.
I'm thinking hourly close, then retracement into like the 480s, and then short And target CPI candle low.
If they can clear, yeah, I agree with that. If they can clear this hold so far above beep bop, they can clear that and continue above 480. Looks good. Yep. Let's see.
Let's look-see. Where we at with the like count? Like count is 609, guys. We're getting closer. We need 655. If you haven't already, make sure you smash the like button. 655, and we're gonna do another giveaway. Come on.
Do it. Ooh, do they reject it here? Or do they keep going?
Wow. It is truly karaoke time.
It is karaoke.
Well, Cheetah says T-Trader, the likes stay. So we had way more viewers before, so the likes that they gave, they will still stay. We don't need as many viewers right now.
No, we do not.
We do not, yeah. We're already at 625 likes, guys. 30 more. Candle closes in 5 seconds.
Ooh, what are they gonna do?
I'm looking for shorts.
I don't know. Maybe. Let's see what that level is on.
Hope that this goes.
70,
We need it to go,
I
man.
would think 70 here and then 80 needs to clear to the upside.
We need it to
otherwise.
do the
Looking for
thing.
longs?
I am
Do
in
the
longs.
thing.
Oh, and I'm looking for shorts. Okay.
I've been in long since 53.
No.
Damn.
But I did take profit off. My stop is at 58 now. So if they do break it below, then.
I did just enter a short.
I want this
So
up
let's get
here.
for a short now. They can clear it because they're rejecting the 70.
Get me back
Kind of in
into a
between,
good
like,
point,
that's why I set my stop to
please.
58 because if they break 60. Ooh, it's not looking too good. Let's see.
Let's see. So I'm short from 464.25. I'm gonna stop at 495. I'm in one mini.
Nice.
One mini, but copy trading on 5 funded accounts.
Nice. I'm trading that same funded account. So don't worry, I'm not going to hit my consistency.
You're good,
I'll
Mary.
probably
Do
pop out.
whatever you want.
Ah?
Do whatever you want.
Okay, thanks, Nick. I just got stopped out on mine. Hey, guess what I made on that one?
420.
No. 21.95. So I'm in the range, right?
A little bit above 21.
Not as bad as yesterday. Not as bad as yesterday.
True.
65 is a level of resistance that they just are messing everyone up right now. It's actually
Dominic, my target is 403.25.
oh, you're going for that big boy move.
Mm-hmm. But at 1 hour, we'll move break even as usual.
403. Why that level?
It's my 2 hour, and it's a realistic target. Technically, we could target 394, but I'm just gonna get out at 2 hour if it goes down there.
Holding 456, and I still like it for potential longs. They break it below, then looks good for those shorts. Shorties.
Let's see if I can share my screen or if I start lagging again. I already started lagging. Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Yeah, let's see, because they're kind of consolidating right now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Let's see.
Mm. Yeah, 480 is a level of resistance. I do like these for longs. I might fade Nick.
Do it. Do it. Yeah, it does look better for longs right now in this moment. I agree.
80 is that level though. You do want that level to reject. Ideally come back down below 66.
For me, it's fine if it goes up to 90. 95 is my top.
Nice, they're rejecting here. Let's see.
Fred, yeah, I'm copy trading through Project X right now.
Yeah, guys,
I'm
there's
trading.
been more and more problems reported with third-party copy traders trading, so I would really try to stay away from those. But yes,
Yeah,
Project X has a wonderful built-in copy trader. I don't know if Tradovate does.
Tradovate has as well. Tradovate
Okay,
works.
great. Yeah, I mean, do it right within your. Yeah, I
Yeah,
just know.
Tradovate
oh
works
my
great.
gosh.
Project X
People
works
were-
great.
Yeah, people were running all sorts of troubles trying to copy trade like multiple firms through these, third-party copy traders, and I know some have flat out banned them now. So, and I even before that, I heard a lot of horror stories of certain accounts not getting closed right. It's just that's tough. But the built-in copy traders to the platforms are fairly reliable. You might get a tick or two slippage or difference, but it's not going to be ridiculous. Know your tech, guys. Always know your tech.
Mm.
Yup. Are you in longs now, Miriam?
Mm-mm. I'm waiting.
I
I
appreciate
want to see
you.
80. I wanna
World
see-
change.
I want to see 80 clear.
I don't want to see 80 clear.
Yeah.
It's a nice 3-candle pattern right around Bebop here, and which I like because if we break out above 80, you got room to highs. If you break below 50, you've broken
What?
Bebop, and
It
you're
was supposed to be a.
looking pretty good.
Let's see. I mean, 1 mini on each account. So technically 5 minis, but we'll call that a 1 mini trade.
All right. Okay. Still rejecting that level.
Just hanging out there.
Beat.
Don't beat.
Yeah.
Oh,
480.
we're almost at the like goal, guys, for the giveaway. Almost.
Yeah, session VWAP TD. I don't. I don't anchor. Or I don't do or not session. It's the whole day, starting with the open last night. One of the dangers with VWAP/Bebop, guys, is, and I know some people have swing trading success anchoring like earnings dates and things like that. But for me, I found on a daily time frame, it can be very tempting to just manipulate VWAP to do what you want it to do, right? Like, oh, I'm just going to do it for the New York session because look at how nice it is. Well, what about the next day? And all honesty, guys, just however you use it consistently. So if you just want to do it on the New York session, you feel that's a little better then do that, but don't switch it up. So for me, it's just easiest to just use for the entire. Plus, there are days, and Nick will tell you this, where you're getting good movement and good volume in the Asian and/or London sessions. I want that figured in. So for me, the whole entire day, I want on my Bebop.
I do
But
the
again,
same.
personal preference doesn't mean it's wrong any other way. Just again, make sure you're using it consistently.
We're still holding. Like count almost there. 654. We need 655. Come on, one more person needs to like the stream. One more.
I don't like what's going on here. There's no way to put these stop losses.
Just give me the light and I touch the door.
I'm gonna refresh now, and I need 655.
I never understood what the hell
We
he
got
was saying.
655. We got
Me neither.
655. We can do a giveaway now.
Do it.
Right.
Do it now.
as soon as Drew confirms the keyword, I'm gonna do it. Of course, I liked Mr. T. Come on. All right. Keyword is set. So that means if you want to get the chance to win a 50K growth account, then simply like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I give you the keyword, type that keyword into the chat, but only once. If you type it more than once, you will be disqualified. The keyword is, because I'm in a short, dump it.
Stop it.
One word. One word, no space in between. Good luck, everybody. Heal.
Oh man. All right, I got the clear of 80 here. Let's see.
And
All
yeah,
right, I am in the wrong.
damn, she's fading me. Damn.
Sorry.
Where's our background there, Drew?
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out on this. It looks like.
There it is.
I'm only going for a quick move here.
Damn.
Drew, you've done a lot of good work here. That's one of your better
you have.
But I don't see any dump it keywords in the chat. Do I need to switch to live chat? Oh yeah, I do. I do. Now we go. Don't beat.
This level right here. This level right here.
Yeah, that's gonna be important.
Yeah. 490.
495 is where I have my stop. Don't do it, NASDAQ. Don't do it.
Let's see what bookmap says. Why is it lagging? That's so annoying. Yeah. I was going for something quickie. This is my personal, so.
Can we just dump it? Yeah, Trader King, it would be 446, 464, sorry. 464 is my short position.
I'm stopped out of that. All good.
Well, you're break even, so that's okay. Now dump it.
I took some off, but yeah, this is the level. This is literally the level they need to reject it at. Which they are. They are so far. The 1 minute looks like it just wants to blow though. Let's see.
Just give me my dump.
And just give me the light and I don't think so.
Chart, we can see you, man. You're good.
Let's see. Patrick, you're in ES shorts? Nice. Nice. Let's get this together. NQ and ES shorts.
Dump it.
Yeah, it needs to dump now.
These
Marbles,
bulls.
marbles. Yeah, it doesn't look really nice.
Just give me the light.
Drew, while we wait for this to play out, can you pick a winner for the giveaway? 50K growth account goes to Spark Steaks. Spark Steaks, congrats, you won a 50K growth account.
No ketchup on that steak.
No ketchup on. Oh Lord.
Oh
That's
boy.
funny.
Spark Steaks, Make sure you type something in the chat. I'm about to get stopped out here. We're very close. 1 point away.
Ooh.
1 point away.
Ooh.
Still in though. Actually, wait, we were half a point away. Uh-oh.
You
Don't
still,
be-
honestly, this could be it. Ooh.
Don't beat, please.
There's some sellers sitting at 497
Yeah, but it doesn't look
and
great.
500.
honestly. Does not look great. I'm out. I'm out. Out of this trade.
There's here. There's that 500.
It's Spark Stake. It's
Hundo.
Spark Stake type. Nope, not yet.
Nice.
Let's see. Spark Stake?
Spark Steak?
Spark Stakes? Where you
No
at?
ketchup?
Spark Stakes, where you at?
Sparky. Sparky?
Spark Stakesies?
No? No. Do we run it again?
I mean, let's give him 35 more seconds. This 5-minute candle.
Oh, come on, Spark Steak.
Spark Stakes, you want a 50K growth account. Come on, you got to claim it. You got to claim it.
And I wanted to make the keyword cow is not cow. That would have been perfect.
It would have been. It would have been, yeah.
True, true.
Dang.
Spark Stakes, you have 7 more seconds. Come on, Spark Stakes.
Oh, Spark Steak.
Oh, Spark Stakes. All right, the opportunity is gone. So, Drew, let's pick another winner for the 50K growth account. Let's run it again. The new winner is Frenzy Scalping. Frenzy Scalping.
Nice.
Are you there?
That's a
Can you
fun
type
one.
something in the chat, please? Frenzy Scalping.
Frenzy Scalping. That's a fun one. Ooh, getting the bullish move here. Nice. 17.
A nice bounce off VPOP.
Mhm.
Schrödinger, yeah, that's exactly the reason. Yep. Frenzy, where you at? Frenzy Scalping?
Bueller?
People don't want to claim today, huh?
Man.
Oh, I'm glad I got out. Damn, what a pump.
Mm-hmm.
Frenzy Scalping.
Yes, trying to break orb here.
You have 45 more seconds to claim.
Oh, come on, guys. They're like free accounts.
Yeah, pretty crazy. That is pretty crazy, if you ask me.
Tinkering Tish.
Hey, he's here. He's here. He's here. So,
All right.
Frenzy Scalping, you
Beautiful.
just won a 50K growth account. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you and send you your free account. Give us up to 7 days for that. However, you're going to receive that account for free.
Nice. Thank you for responding. Thank you
Yep.
for your attention to this matter.
Yes. That was a close one. Close call, Frenzy. Close call.
Interesting.
We do have the best chat. I will say that.
We do. We sure do.
Let's call stakes. telling me lost it.
Ketchup futures are dropping hard after the steak debacle. Love it.
Scandal on Tradify TV. Hosts
Yeah.
erupt in outrage. That would be some clickbaity bullshit they'd put on
Right.
a website. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Man, we are just in a range right now. Quite the range. The opening range, to be exact. Just give me the... I don't know why this Sean Paul song is now stuck in my head.
Yeah, I don't know why Sean Paul would be in your head in any circumstances.
Because Nick said something like, "Just give me the something." I was like, "Oh, just give me the that," and then
No, I know what it is. Just give me the love.
and drop the market. Na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh. Wow, they are really battling here.
And speaking of battles,
What's gold doing?
gold is not golding today.
Gold is not golden today, that's for sure. Kind of a muted Friday, other than CPI.
Other than CPI. Gotta love CPI.
Man, oh
Yeah,
man.
Tricks. Have a good weekend.
Bye, Triggs. Bye.
Bye.
At least I said it to the right person today.
Yeah, this time, yeah. Hey, yo, Patrick, watch your mouth, okay? Calling my ketchup choice a disorder now. Damn.
I mean, the shoe fits.
Hey.
So, it's been, I'm just kind of flipping back my news feed too. Like, obviously we had the data this morning and some secondary data coming out, at the open left. It's really been a slow news day outside of that. Now we're in the middle of earnings season. We've got some more big earnings coming next week. Actually, let me pull that up so we can kind of figure that out. I mean, Nick and I, some people are taking it like, like they're on vacation or something.
Wild, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't be like everyone, take 5 weeks off.
Damn.
And then use half that time to put ketchup on our steak.
Hey.
All right, so next week we've got, let's see, as far as major earnings, not a whole lot on Monday. I mean, there's major companies, but nothing a whole lot on Tuesday. Microsoft, Meta, and Alphabet, which is Google, are on Wednesday, so that'll be a big day. Kraft Heinz reports before the open on Wednesday. I don't know why that's relevant, but I'll put that out there.
Nice.
And Thursday we have Amazon and Apple, so that'll be the big day. And NVIDIA just bucks off and does their earnings like 6 weeks from now.
Yeah. When is theirs?
It's usually about 2 to 3 weeks after the major tech earnings for some weird reason. So it's sort of like, I mean, obviously earnings are always really going on, but I always kind of consider the first big tech, the beginning of earnings season, and NVIDIA is the end of it. So usually Netflix sort of kicks everything off because they're usually early on in the process. And then it's NVIDIA just closing it up. But yeah, so Wednesday and Thursday are the big earnings days. We got a lot of Mag 7s up in those days.
All right. NQ has a lot of sellers sitting at 540.
They should have stepped in earlier. Damn it.
Damn
you sellers.
Darn you sellers. Yeah, 540. Significant amount of sellers sitting there. Just give me Okay.
It's terrible.
That's enough, Miriam. What
How
happened?
do you-
Oh, good. Dad?
It's a lot of work.
What did I do this time?
Well, I told you it's when you hear a tone like that, you're always like, okay, you're thinking of all the things you did. It's like, what could they have found out?
I know, like,
You know, you're like running down the list in your head.
quickly, very quickly, even as an adult. Clear it?
Well, guys, it is almost time for us to take a brief break here before we come back with the market pulse and break down what we've seen so far and what's coming next week. Normally, I'm a little upset. We got to let Nick go and do it today. I don't know, not so much. I don't
It's
know.
okay.
I don't know what
Yeah.
that's about, but
Fired indefinitely.
yeah, I think so. So Nick, I normally I'd ask you for any closing words. I'm going to give you that opportunity today. So before we rotate off to break here, Nick, any final words for the week for our viewers?
Ketchup on steak is a necessity.
Yeah.
See ya.
Jesus. All right, guys, we're going to take a 5-minute break. We will be back with the market pulse. We'll see you then.
Let's hope, guys. Let's hope. Oh, this is... Oops, wrong one. This is our scalp account. Let's hope it has chose its direction. I think it has.
My name is Asanka Wurton.
We'll find out
Financial institution
here shortly.
and they were looking for physicists. As a scientist, speaks German and managed to get a decent job at a bank. I actually started on a foreign exchange desk, so my first ever trade was dollar South African rand because I spent some time in South Africa playing rugby. My favorite markets to trade generally the London session, so European indices. I very much like to cook. That's actually probably my meditation from trading. Pre-trading, I always make sure I have already had a cup of tea. My earliest mistake was to assume that I could trade financial markets simply on the back of mathematics and not take a holistic approach. I'd say my trading style is calculated. I like to apply analysis to any decision made. It's calm. I'm always making sure I'm not too overexcited and consistent. I think a consistent application is key.
My name is Matt Hensley.
Miriam Rushdie
My name is Nick,
I am from St. Louis.
from Orange County, California.
and I'm from Switzerland.
I'm a Midwestern homeowner, which means I spend at least 7 hours a day in my yard.
I like to explore new foods, different cultures.
I do a lot of sports. I go to the gym a lot. I play paddle tennis.
My first ever trade was actually Peloton.
I got into trading Originally, honestly, through a Facebook ad.
I bought 10 shares of Apple stock.
Read some hype article about it and decided to just go all in.
My first trade was Tesla call option from Signals Group.
After COVID hit, they just skyrocketed.
And I sold it a couple days later and I made $37 and I felt like the shit.
Beginner's luck.
Probably about 75% of my trades are in the NQ futures contract.
NQ it is.
I'm a NASDAQ junkie.
Other than that, I just trade oil and gold, CL and GC.
I just love trading NASDAQ just because of the volatility, the chaos.
Why? Because I love simplicity. Like just sticking to one thing, focusing on that, and really becoming an expert at it.
Trading has really taught me a lot about myself.
Have a protein shake, I eat some beef jerky, and then I start trading.
I sit down and I get to business.
I'm ready to hopefully make some smart trading decisions.
At Tradovate, we believe traders deserve a better way to trade. No endless evaluations, no unnecessary barriers, just a direct path to capital. Built for real traders who want to focus on what matters most, the next trade. With instant funding, you're not waiting weeks to prove yourself. You're working to get payouts from day one. It doesn't matter who you are or where you're from. If you can trade, you deserve real opportunity. We built Tradovate to give traders funded capital without the delays, complications, or fine print. Our advanced trading journal tracks every detail of your performance, giving you the insights you need to consistently improve. When you trade with us, you control your profits. We take on the risk that holds most traders back, because that's how funded trading should work. Trading is hard enough. You need a partner who provides the structure, the speed, and the support, so you can stay focused on execution. Confidence comes from knowing you have capital behind you and a firm that moves as fast as you do. This is Tradovate, funded trading built for real traders.
Welcome to our quick guide on the consistency rule for traders. The consistency rule requires traders to show steady performance before requesting a payout. This means no single day's profit should exceed a certain percentage of the total profits over a given period. It helps with risk management, ensures performance stability, and encourages disciplined trading. For advanced and growth sim funded accounts, the limit is 35%, while for straight to sim funded accounts, it's 20%. After a payout, the percentage resets. To calculate the balance needed to meet the consistency rule, use this formula. Biggest end of day profit divided by consistency percentage required equals total balance needed to meet consistency. Here's an example using the 20% rule. A trader with a straight to sim funded account has $10,000 in total profits over 10 days, with a highest single day profit of $2,500. This trader's consistency percentage is 25% and exceeds the 20% limit. To meet the consistency rule, we will use our formula. The trader needs to achieve $12,500 in total profits, keeping $2,500 as the highest single day profit.
Oh, let's make it happen.
The trader makes an additional $2,500. The total profits now become $12,500, and the highest single day profit is now 20% of the total. At this point, the trader has met the consistency criteria for a payout, as their highest profit no longer exceeds the 20% limit. If you see a consistency of 100%, this means that your biggest day profit is larger than your total account profit. Tradovate is looking for consistent traders that follow risk management and performance stability. By following the consistency rule, traders can pave the way towards success.
Welcome back, guys, to Tradovate TV. We took a little break and now we're back. So let's go over what we have done so far today. So we are pushing a little bit to these highs here. NASDAQ breaking above opening range high, as is ES. So we're pushing. I mean, right now we do have some of those sellers still sitting at that 550 level, but so far kind of putting in a little bit of a 3-bar pattern here. So we did put a little bit of a dip through VPOP all the way down to opening range low. We're not able to even slice through that and make a new low of day. So, you know, it's looking bullish. So now I would anticipate that NASDAQ needs to get up above this 550. That's the current day high right now. And let's see if we can, you know, make new all-time highs as we continue higher. So that's what I see on the NASDAQ. Otherwise, let's go to ES here. Same sort of thing. ES did a really, really good job of holding this 811, 812 area. This is the area that, this was actually the previous swing high. So did a really good job coming into that level multiple times. You guys can see really nice support there. And now, you know, we've been ranging all morning, but so far we are, you know, kind of pushing up slightly. So same thing with ES, came down to opening range low, broke VPOP a little bit, but then extended further. So now the levels on ES I'm looking for us to hold is 833, 833, possibly a little buy area here. You guys can see resistance, we broke out of it. Now I would expect it to turn into support. But we are kind of rejecting here. So let's see what we do. That's kind of what I got so far. Matt, why don't you walk us through the rest of gold and everything else?
Yeah, so we'll start here with the Russell. Interesting on the Russell, and I'm going to put a little line up here. So the Russell did not make new highs yet after the CPI candle. So the CPI candle high up there about 25.33, and we got close a little after the 10 o'clock hour open, but we really didn't get back up there. So a little bit of divergence there versus the NQ, which did make a new post CPI high, and the ES, which is in the process of doing that in the last 10 to 15 minutes. In CL, guys, still it's not great movement. We got a little below BPOP, and we've popped up from there, but too many candle wicks in too many directions for me to get too excited about CL. Gold has been a nice trader off this 7:30, the 8:30 Eastern CPI candle. We bounced off BPOP, shot all the way up. This has been a straight up VWAP BPOP trader today, guys. Rejection here, push up to the +1 standard deviation. Pulling back a little bit. Now it's moved in fits and starts. One strong candle, consolidation. Two strong candles, a little bit of consolidation. Two strong candles, a little bit of consolidation. So it's been some nice pattern trading over there on the GC today.
Yeah, we are getting that rejection right now. Let's see if ES can hold this level. I did take that short up at 25,548. 25,542 was my entry. But right now, I don't know where that pop came from. We had a nice little pop and drop. So let's see if they hold. This is kind of the area that I'm seeing NASDAQ needs to hold 513, hold above 523, and I will stop out of this trade. But very nice, you know, movement that we've gotten so far in terms of just the levels. I think the levels have kind of been the really the areas that, you know, opening range has been the zone, right? This is the zone that we're sitting in on NASDAQ. And, you know, we popped into some of these levels today and we weren't quite able to break them. So NASDAQ's been in a pretty tight range all day. What is that, 100 points, barely? So it's just, you know, it's nice for range bound traders, but I feel like as much as I want to say I hate the price action today, they have been respecting levels. They have been respecting the levels. So, yeah, so far it's been a good day for me, at least for trading.
They popped, locked, and dropped it.
Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it.
I know. All I got to do is say a line now, and you're going to sing. This is
hey.
Who pulled your string?
Who dressed you this morning?
I did. This is a very comfortable little hoodie.
Yeah, you put that hood back up.
Miriam.
Oh, great. Not you.
Pulled forth your entire account.
Oh, Lord.
Do it now.
Last week. What, your background just got really light.
Yeah, I think it's my camera sort of adjusting for the
it's like overheating.
for the hood. Yeah, it'll snap back in once I take it down. Give it a second. There it goes. There it goes.
Oh gosh. Fun times. But yeah, guys, I mean, slow day so far, but levels have been respecting. So that's all I gotta say.
Just
All I
not,
get
we've
is
been
steak.
respecting levels, just not good culinary traditions today.
Just straight disrespect when it comes to that. Diabolical things putting together. Oh man, yeah, we don't want to go there. We don't want to go there.
I've been stressed ever since I heard that. Like I'm seriously worried about the fate of steaks in Switzerland now.
Yes, that poor cow
Mm-hmm.
that he pulled out earlier. It's all good. Just say a prayer and everything will be fine. That's how I live most of my days.
So you're going to Milan, and then you're heading to. How long are you in Switzerland?
Hopefully this does
only a
what it
couple
needs to
nights,
do.
Not long enough.
All
It was
right.
one of those where it was just like
Took me
added
out.
into the trip.
Okay. All right.
I was like, I want to go to Switzerland. Screw it. Let's make it happen. So that's
A little scary.
another life motto. Screw it. Just do it.
Yeah.
Screw it and do it.
I think Nike summarized that pretty well. Just do
yes.
it.
Yes. Yeah. I just, went back to the original.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it'll be a nice little time in Milan, and then Switzerland, and then off to another country, which is Paris, or France. France, not Paris, but we will be in Paris.
Yeah, Schrodinger, we're gonna go all Godfather on him. Miriam's gonna leave an open bottle of ketchup in his bed, like he has to wake up to.
I'm always like, so you wear white tees everywhere, and ketchup is your choice of condiment. Like, want to know how that works well for you. I'm sure he walks around with like a Tide pen. Just in his Merce as well, next to his small bottle of ketchup. You should have a cat trading session. Hey, just get one eval, Matt, and let Atlas take the wheel.
Well, you know what? I'm open to doing that once the basement is finished. But like right now, I'm really hesitant to have them down here because we're storing a lot of stuff down here, and the orange one likes to climb. She got almost to the ceiling last time, and because the drywall is cut about 2.5 feet up all the way around. Like she would straight up end up in the wall somewhere. We'd like hear meowing and like have to bulldoze something to get to her. I know that would happen. So no, they can only come down here when they're supervised. So
you must have a parent guardian in the room.
That's exactly it. No, they had free reign down here before the flood, and once we get everything set back up, they can come and go as they please down here. But I just don't want them. And there's too much exposed, wood and nails and everything. So I just don't want them down here. But
I mean, it looks so put together from our point of view.
I said it's finished from the waist up at this point, but see if I can maneuver the camera. I don't know if I can really get a good shot of this. You can kind of see it there.
Oh boy, yeah. Look at that. Well.
Yeah, I got a meeting with the contractor 1 week from today after the show. So hopefully, and we're going to get some price quotes. And if we decide to go into the design phase, we'll go from there. But hopefully have it all fixed up sometime by the end of Q1.
That's the dream.
It is, yeah. Then we can move on to some other projects. So it'd be nice
going
to get
into the holidays. Going into the holidays with a project is always nuts.
Yeah, I don't think there's any conceivable way they'd start it until after the new year, though. I think he said they would, if we go forward, probably be looking at late January, early February to actually start construction. But we'll see. So
yeah. Okay. So you'll be on in the afternoon as well.
So I'm gonna be. So Rebecca's gone next week. So rather than make Nick fly solo every day, I'll be popping on a little bit in the afternoons here or there. I don't know exactly what days and what times yet. I still got to kind of move a few things, but yeah, we had fun. We had a blast the other day, so I'm looking forward to that. It's you get the end of the day, it gets a little, I mean, obviously we're all about fun on this show, but especially if some of the trading's done, and I caught those 2 huge trades on that stream last week, or a couple days ago to pass another eval. So yeah, so it's we'll have some fun. We'll DGen and I'll tear it up a little bit whenever I'm able to. I don't think I can do every day, but I should be able to do at least 3 days next week. So
yeah, it's always.
But it's a good day. Book the flights to Miami, and we'll all be hanging out there. So I'm trying to think.
That's
We haven't actually met Drew in person yet. I'm looking forward to that.
I have.
Oh, you have, yeah, when you were through Chicago, but yeah. So it's
I
nice
gotta
to know
know
he's not
who's gonna
actually
bring-
just AI. I've just assumed he's an AI avatar at this point. So.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure either. I'm not
Okay,
quite sure.
all
yet.
right, that's true.
It was a
That's
very
fair.
brief
That's fair.
interaction.
That's
So
fair. There's other members of the team we haven't met yet down there, so it's looking forward to it. It'll be fun. So
yep.
have a little team building. I'm looking forward to the live show. That's gonna be pretty insane.
Oh, I'm yes, yeah. That'll be fun. That'll be fun. Doing a live stream, live Tradovate TV stream with all of us together is gonna be
all of us there. I'm sure we can pull Brett on for a while as well, and we'll just it'll be chaos, but the good kind.
Yeah, it's always a good kind. It's always a good kind. Chat, let us know what you guys are doing this weekend. I want to know. I want to know what the next 2 days is gonna bring. How do you guys spend your weekends as traders? I know some of y'all have kids. I know some of you guys have significant others. Maybe you're going on a blind date. Who knows? Maybe you might be hugging a stranger.
That would be kind of exciting. So,
hey, we did say we were gonna set that up.
Yeah.
The Tradovate dating.
Yeah, the Tradovate dating app. Yeah, it's. And instead of swipe right, swipe left, it's full port or stop loss.
Yeah. 10 minis or 1.
Yeah, that's how you rate. You rate them based on like number of contracts you'd go into into the relationship with. So,
right.
Yeah.
That'll be good times.
Well, Lifted's got a kids soccer tournament, haunted house, and some football. That's a good weekend. It's a good weekend.
House cleaning. That can be therapeutic. I can get with that.
Got a deep clean of the house on Monday. Finally hired a company to come in and do some regular cleaning. We do it on the weekends, and every weekend I'm just like, fucking hate this. I can afford to pay somebody to do this. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do that.
Right. Oh man. Crumpled up in a ball crying. Oh no, Oki. Why? Don't do that.
Daily VWAP birthday. Happy birthday.
Hey. Happy birthday to you. Wait, when's your birthday?
And how old if you want to share? You don't have to. Yeah, Daily Bebop.
Daily Bebop.
Crap.
Wait, how come I can't see their
Okay.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Daily Bebop. Scorpio gang in the house. You're just jealous because you're a Cancer, which makes sense.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I saw that video you sent yesterday. That was hilarious.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I could never.
Oh my gosh. That's funny.
Yeah.
55 is a great. Oh, your birthday's a 26? Mine's a 27th. Twinsies. Almost. Wait, Abu Bakr saying sipping wine, watching the missus cut grass. That's wild work. That is wild work. 55 years young.
All right. There
Love
you go.
that. Congratulations.
Just don't think it's going. Anyways, I had to get ready for my appointment. All the loves. Peace. Looks like we are going to be possibly green on our scalp
I
account.
don't even know what that means, but it was I don't know what it
We're
means.
going to flatten this here
Some
shortly.
of them were so pissed.
Oh yeah, the one you could never what?
So
Hey,
one's
come
gonna
back
get
here.
out.
Tell
But
me.
anyways.